Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we are preparing something really special, pudding. I hope you like it. Let's start together. First of all, you will put pudding on the plate. And then you can add water or milk, whatever you want. And then mix it well, very well. And after, take a pot and fill it with water. And wait until the water boils. Okay, so now, after the water boils, add the pudding to the water. And mix it well until the pudding is ready. And now, let's serve the dish, and you can decorate it as you like. It's really delicious, believe it. Try it and comment below for your result. We are waiting and wish you the best.